Demonstration of drug calculation. For the first item, a 4.5 kilogram dog needs a known milligram of amoxicillin at a dose of 22 milligram per kilogram. To calculate the unknown dose, multiply the dose of drug to the weight of the animal. So, 22 milligram per kilogram multiplied to 4.5 kilogram is 99 milligrams. Therefore, the 4.5 kilogram dog needs 99 milligrams of amoxicillin at a dose of 22 milligrams per kilogram. How many milligrams of carprofen do you give a 68 kilogram dog at a dose of 1 milligram per kilogram? The same steps are applied to calculate the unknown dose. Multiply the dose of drug to the weight of the animal. So, 1 milligram per kilogram multiplied to 68 kilogram is 68 milligrams. Therefore, the 68 kilogram dog needs 68 milligrams of carprofen at a dose of 1 milligram per kilogram. How many milligrams of enrofloxacin do you give an 18 kilogram dog at a dose of 5 milligram per kilogram? Multiply the dose of drug to the weight of the animal. So, 5 milligram per kilogram multiplied to 18 kilogram is 90 milligrams. Therefore, the 18 kilogram dog needs 90 milligrams of enrofloxacin at a dose of 5 milligram per kilogram. A 3.5 kilogram cat needs ursodiol at a 15 milligram per kilogram. How many milligrams does it need? 15 milligram per kilogram multiplied to 3.5 kilogram is 52.5 milligrams. Therefore, the 3.5 kilogram cat needs 52.5 milligrams of ursodiol at a dose of 15 milligram per kilogram. For the last item, a 5.2 kilogram cat needs 5 microgram per kilogram of dexmedetomidine for sedation. How many micrograms does the cat need? 5 microgram per kilogram multiplied to 5.2 kilogram is 26 micrograms. Therefore, the cat needs 26 micrograms of dexmedetomidine for sedation.